Guys, we're back again with another short vlog, and this time let's tour around the famous buildings here in Singapore. First stop is the Fullerton Hotel. It's one of those old hotels in Singapore, guys. And that one, a very odd looking building. The outer and the ceiling looks like durian, so probably it's inspired by durian. So that's Esplanade, guys. Another famous building, and probably the most famous, is the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Look at that. So we are here in Fullerton Road. It's a bit difficult to cross the road, guys, because this street is so busy. So we might have to wait for many minutes before we could cross the road. So it's go, guys. We're only given 30 seconds to cross the road. So we're here in front of One Fullerton. And we are almost there, guys. Sa sa Merlion statue. And I can already see the Singapore River. After that, you will then see Merlion Tower. And here it is, guys. The Marina Bay Sands Hotel, and of course the surrounding buildings. So most of these buildings are actually banks. So DBS is a bank, HSBC, and then Standard Chartered. So this is in front of One Fullerton. There are also tourists here, guys, but unfortunately it's really very hot. And that odd looking shape building is the Art Science Museum, but we will not go inside. And that one is also a very known land structure. It's a Singapore Flyer. So yeah, so some tourists are riding a bike here, guys. And of course, over there is the famous Merlion Tower, but let's first have a picture here, guys. We are now done taking photos of Marina Bay Sands Hotel, and we are now heading to the famous Merlion statue. And surprise, surprise! The famous Merlion statue is here. Wow, isn't it amazing? So there are a lot of tourists here, guys. So you can do a lot of activities here. But of course, you should take a photo of this Merlion. So there are many people here, guys. But the most famous spot to take photo of the Merlion is right over there. So by the way, guys, it closed for a few months before. I forgot the year, but it was closed to do maintenance works. And then that's Esplanade, and then that's Helix Bridge. And that would be all for our walking tour around Marina Bay, specifically beside One Fullerton. Bye!